There are many tapestries on the market, but not all of them are created equal. If you're looking for a tapestry that is perfect for a guy, then you need to check out the 10 best tapestries for guys. These tapestries are perfect for any guy, whether he is a college student, a working professional, or a stay-at-home dad. They are all made from high-quality materials and feature a variety of designs that are sure to appeal to any guy. So, if you're looking for the perfect tapestry for a guy, then be sure to check out the 10 best tapestries for guys. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect tapestries for guys for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list. We have the Skull Tapestry Colorful Mushroom Tapestry. Introducing the perfect addition to any room, this colorful skull and mushroom tapestry. Made of high-quality eco-protect polyester fabric, this tapestry is soft, lightweight, durable and fadeless. The advanced HD printing technology results in vivid colors and crisp lines, with uniquely designed skull and mushrooms. The size of this trippy tapestry is 51.2 x 59.1 130 cm x 150 cm, making it perfect for a variety of uses. You can hang it in different scenes or use it as a beach towel, picnic blanket, porch hanging, tablecloth, bedspread, or gift for family and friends. Hanging this psychedelic mushroom tapestry is easy. It can be done with push pins or decorative tacks. It is also machine washable in cold water and can be ironed at a lower temperature. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the Empty Forest Wall Hanging Tapestry. The Art Tree of Life tapestry is the perfect addition to your home decor. Made of a high-quality fabric, this tapestry is soft, lightweight and easy to hang or pack away. The forest bedroom decor would have a good printing effect, especially for the fantastic and abstract image. The colors are soft and the lines are crisp, with exquisite edging. The tapestry is machine washable and durable. It's also a great gift for your parents, children, or anyone who loves nature. At number 3 on our list, we have the Trippy Astronaut Tapestry Blacklight Space Tapestry. This Trippy Astronaut Tapestry. Made from high-quality polyester fabric, this tapestry is soft, durable, and easy to hang or pack away. It's perfect for your indoor or outdoor use and comes in 3 sizes to choose from. This tapestry is sure to make a statement with its cool blacklight design. It features an astronaut against a starry sky with the Milky Way galaxy in the background. The colors are vibrant and the lines are crisp, making it a perfect addition to any room. This tapestry is versatile and can be used for a variety of purposes. It's great for meditation, decorative reading areas, background walls, and more. It can also be used as a tapestry, wall hanging, bedspread, bed cover, tablecloth, dorm decor, picnic sheet, beach shawl, scarf, blanket, and more. If you're not happy with your purchase, we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. So, what are you waiting for? Order your Trippy Astronaut Tapestry today. At number 4 on our list, we have the Trippy Astronaut Tapestry Space Tapestry Poster Cool Spaceman. This tapestry is made from silky polyester fabric. These tapestries are lightweight and easy to hang, making them perfect for any indoor or outdoor space. With 2 size options, you can find the perfect tapestry to fit your needs. Best of all, these tapestries are made from high-quality materials and feature HD digital printing technology, ensuring that the pattern is clear and the color is not blurred. With a unique design that combines an astronaut with a funny beer galaxy sky, these tapestries are sure to add a touch of personality to any space. At number 5 on our list, we have the Anime Samurai Tapestry. This tapestry is made of soft polyester fiber and is sagging good. It's also durable enough for both indoor and outdoor use. The tapestry features HD pattern printing in beautiful, colorful colors that won't fade. It's a great way to add some personality and style to any room. Plus, the new tapestry has folds, so you can iron it to make it even more beautiful. Hand or machine wash under gentle cycle or dry clean, and do not bleach. Please use mild detergent with cold water. At number 6 on our list, we have the Cool Weed Tapestry for Men. The tapestry is made from polyester fiber, making it lightweight, durable, and comfortable. It is great for both indoor and outdoor use and can also be used as a gift for various occasions. The tapestry has advanced digital printing technology and a variety of design styles, making it unique and a great addition to any room. It can be machine or hand washed under a gentle cycle and should not be bleached. At number 7 on our list, We have the Japanese Great Wave Red Sun Tapestry. This Japanese wave wall-hanging tapestry. Made of light and environmentally friendly polyester fabric, it uses advanced high-definition printing technology to create crisp lines and vivid colors. Perfect for teen girls, teen boys, men, or women, this tapestry can be easily hung on the wall using thumbtacks or hooks. Just hand wash or machine wash on a cold water to get out the fold lines wrinkles after receiving it. No extra care is needed. Comes in various sizes. At number 8 on our list, we have the pretty jolly rose skull tapestry wall hanging. It is amazing digital print tapestry. Made of 100% polyester fabric, this tapestry is soft, comfortable, and durable. It also offers an elegant visual effect and a silky touch. And best of all, it's machine washable for easy care. This tapestry is great for a variety of purposes. You can use it as a wall hanging, a beach towel, a picnic blanket, a porch hanging, a tablecloth, a sofa cover, a dorm decoration, a ceiling decoration, or a window curtain. So why not add this beautiful tapestry to your collection today? Order now and enjoy fast, free shipping. At number 9 on our list, we have the Anime Tapestry Wall Cloth Mango Wall Hanging. These tapestries are a great way to add a touch of color and personality to any room. Not only are they a great way to decorate, but they can also be used as a picnic blanket, beach towel, yoga mat, and more. What's even better is that these tapestries are machine washable, so you can easily clean any stains or smudges. And thanks to the included barb clips and nail hooks, they are extremely easy to hang. So what are you waiting for? Order your tapestry today. And finally at number 10 on our list, we have the Cool Weed Tapestry for Men, Psychedelic Trippy Funny Alien Tapestry Wall Hanging. If you're looking for something that will really make your wall stand out, look no further than this Psychedelic Alien Tapestry Wall Hanging. Made from high-quality materials, it's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Plus, the vibrant colors and trippy design will really bring your wall to life. Gentle hand wash separately in cold water. Dry flat or hang to dry in a shaded area. Bed cover, purple trippy tapestry, wall hanging decor, bedspreads, curtains, tablecloths, picnic mats, beach towels, throw, curtain, wall hanging yoga or tablecloth. With free nails, hang easily, suitable for home, office, restaurant, dining room, windows, kitchen, toilet, bathroom, bedroom, coffee shop, office etc. We use the most advanced 3D digital printing. Give you more choices for different usage scenarios. 60 degrees L times 40 degrees W, 71 degrees L times 60 degrees W, 80 degrees L times 60 degrees W. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.